that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
How's it going, guys? I'm back with another video, and for this time I'll be doing a WWE Tap Mania pack opening video. If you guys don't know the app, it's launched new. As you can see, it's launched new 7.4.7 rating, and I'll be doing a pack opening of it now. So let's start. I'll be opening some now. Let's go to the shop and open the epic pack. 4,500 gold. As you can see, I have unlimited gold. What is this? Oh, let me buy some this. So let's start with my first pack. Okay, let's start with the basic pack. And we get Sami Zayn half flat 2-star. Now it's time for the epic pack. I will be opening 10 epic packs. So first card is Big Gas. Then is Mick Foley, some shards of Mick Foley's. Jimmy Uso, some shards. Charlotte, some 5 shards. Shawn Michaels, I already have it. Kalisto, I don't need. Alexa Bliss, good card. Ric Flair, 20 shards, 25 shards. And Charlotte, good. Seth Rollins, my favorite card, my favorite player in WWE. And the last card, oh, we got everyone. This was my first epic pack. Now let's go for the second epic pack. I just wanted Undertaker. First card, Xavier Wood, 5 shards. Finn Balor, I already have him. Jericho, 5 shards. Ultimate Warrior, 10 shards. Mojo Rawley, don't need him. Need 3 or 4 star rated players. Brock Lesnar, just need that card now. Goldberg. Why are they giving me Mojo Rawley? Bo Dallas, don't need. Still don't need that card. Mick Foley. Okay. And got nothing in this one. Let's do another one. Naomi. Baron Corbin. Rob Van Dam. Bailey, I already have her. Heath Slater. This is my third pack, I think. Kevin Owens. Roman Reigns, shards, 25. Baron Corbin, don't need 1 star player cards. Carmella, don't need her as well. Oh, Kevin Owens, good. Only one, I got Kevin Owens good card. This is my fifth pack, I think, or fourth pack. Rob Van Dam, good. Dean Ambrose, good. Sasha Banks, good. All 3-star shards I'm getting. Rusev, good. I don't need that. AJ Styles. Sami Zayn. Ultimate Warrior, good card. Rob Van Dam, good. But I need a 4-star player. I'm not getting anyone. And yes, Goldberg, the only one I wanted now. Very good card. I will upgrade him a lot. It's my 6th pack. I have 152 billion. Bo Dallas. Mick Foley. Eddie Guerrero. Why are they giving me Mick Foley shards every time? I already have him. Jey Uso. I have Jimmy Uso, I think so. Then Daniel Bryan. Don't need 1-star players. Cards. Big Gas. Heath Slater. Oh, Dean Ambrose. My 7th pack now. I need a 4-star Undertaker. Don't need him. Absolutely. What was that? Don't need 2 and 1-star players. 3 stars are fine. Why are they giving me shards of 1-star, 2-star? 25 shards of only 1-star and 2-star players. Kevin Owens, good. Seth Rollins, good. No need. Dean Ambrose again. And only shards this time. My 8th pack now. Hoping for 4-star card. Oh, Goldberg, I have him. Oh, again Goldberg. Mojo Rawley. I have many shards of him now. Natalia. Sorry, I have cold, so I have to do that. Alexa Bliss. Ultimate Warrior. Who is DDP? DDP? I don't know. Diamond Dallas Page, I think so. Mick Foley, upgraded to 3-star now. And good, Roman Reigns. Not that bad. But I need a 4-star player. My 9th pack. Please give me a 4-star card. I've been not pronouncing the names that I've told many times. Just see the pack. Oh, Rhino, good card. Means 1-star, but I still like him. Xavier Woods. I need a 4-star card, not a shards. Jinder Mahal, the current WWE champion. Need of him. Kane, normal. And the last card, The Miz. Sorry for my cold. Nah, I don't know that. They are just playing. I will do the last part, but first I will tell you what 4-star I want. I want Eddie Guerrero, Undertaker, Triple H, Bret Hart, The Rock, Ric Flair, Stone Cold, Randy, Brock Lesnar, Cena. I want these cards. So let's do a last pack now. Last epic pack. Let's open now. Jinder Mahal. Heath Slater. 20. The Miz, I already have him. Goldberg, I have him as well. Bo Dallas. Heath Slater. Rusev. Naomi don't need this kind of cards. What are they doing? Please give me a. I'm gonna bet it's gonna be a Oh! Stone Cold 4-star. Yes, come on. Good card to end the video. Collect. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment below if you like my pack opening video. If you want more, just comment. Thank you for watching and see you.